last year we was blessed with funds to start back working on the house. Here you can see the outside of the house. This is my husband recording. This is the front of the house. This section here with all the debris, this is where my husband and my bedroom will be. Having a 360 of the house. It is a very small old stone house. It was built out of limestone, and this limestone is 2 feet thick. So these walls are very dense, and that is part of what is cutting down the size and the width of the interior, but it is still cozy and comfortable enough. You can see only a part of the roof is on. Roofing is so expensive, so we could only afford for now. Walking deeper in the house, we are upon the bath area. Yes, I know it's very small. Now, how will my wheelchair fit? But the Lord is so wonderful. It's just wide enough for my wheelchair. These walls are thick. You will see someone have started clearing all the marl that was feet high in this house, so that we could prepare the floor for casting. Here you see my husband showing in the kitchen area where the gas and everything else will be laid.
Just ready gas, then go right here. Started put on steel already. It's just a rough little, but there's no going to come and tidy steel and tidy steel sheets, and then put some ribs of high tension steel in between. So basically you're almost completed. All that section up there has been rammed. This is the area here by the wall for column will be going up here, and this will be a trench for beam. Then we're coming into the small room here. There is no being compacted, that's compacted here. And this is the section that needs to be leveled off right now. It's almost here. As you can see, this is probably 50 feet. How it's at the length. I don't know if you can see that right here. And it's just half inch above the length. So by the time you ram that, then it will come back to the correct level. So we're going to do is leveling off. I will start the machine myself to show you how noisy it gets. So you can see the area that is just rough is almost flat. So what you would do after is sprinkle it with some water, and that will give you some further hardness on the surface. Okay, this is some concrete. It started to pour. This is section. This is where electricals will be going for the stove, and that pipe will be going for gas. So far, this is what has been poured. On top of this, we'll be going additional mortar to straighten out the floor. So on top of this structure, you'll be carrying some vinyl tiles. So when we come back later, this section out here is the section to finish off into the bathroom most likely. So all this was done yesterday. We had a hard start, started late, so we didn't get to do as much as we wanted. But either way, it's okay. After this section is poured, we'll get the truck to dispose of all this stuff here, and this section is supposed to go further out. Then you have this beam, this column here. That is the next part to be cast into a window.
All praise and adoration to Yahweh for providing. Every month I will update the channel on this renovation. So subscribe to the channel and follow our building renovation and see how this building will turn from this to our dream home.